In this video lecture, we are going to look at modules in Python programming. Okay, so modules contains functions inside. We have looked at functions, and modules are mainly imported before we can be able to use them. Sometimes you might say import something like mass. So this is a module. And if you want to use this, you can go ahead and say print mass dot. You can see some functions under mass that you can use. There are so many of them. Okay. There are so many functions under mass that you can use. Let's go ahead and use a square root and maybe say square root of 27 and go ahead and run this code and let's check it out. This is where you have, or if you say square root of 9 and that is 3, let's go ahead and check it out. Run this and that is 3. So I would go ahead and click on Files and move down to Settings. I'm going to show you how to import some modules in case you are facing challenges here. So whenever you come here, go ahead and hit on Project Program 1 because your mouse or this might appear. Go ahead and click on this and click on Project Interpreter. And whenever you click on Project Interpreter, this window is open for you. I'll drag this up. Go ahead and hit on this more plus icon here. Because very soon we begin to use this always. Go ahead and click on this. And you have so many modules right inside here. So you can go ahead and hit on this. And anyone you want, you can go ahead and check it out. Maybe I want to import Pygame. A module for that, I can go ahead and import that. And I can go ahead and import so many other modules I need to work with. Go ahead and close this. I just want to show us this because it's very important. So now you've known how modules work. Or if you want to see all the modules in Python, how do you do that? So I'll go ahead and show you that. Go ahead and remove this module here and click on Help. And inside Help, you go ahead and type modules. So now we have Help modules and go ahead and run these. It says, please wait a moment while I got a list of all available modules. You see that there are too many of them here. And very soon it will come up because there are too many modules available for us to use in Python. And this is really taking the computer so much time to gather because there are too many. Wow, I'll drag this up so we can see all of them whenever they are ready to show us all these. Okay. You can see the modules we have. And they are being popped up for us. And as a Python developer, I don't know why I am saying Java. As a Python developer, you can see that we have all these modules to use. And anytime you need any one of them, you can come over and pick them up. Just like the mass module we use, this is a mass module we used here. If you don't know anything about this mass module, you can go ahead and check out how to use that by going over here and help, using the help function and type mass and go ahead and run this and check it out. So this will tell you about the mass module. And you go ahead and read everything about that. So there are other modules that you can go ahead and check out because I've shown you the whole modules and I'll give you time to go ahead and check them out and look at them one by one. And if you don't know anything about any one of them and you really want to know that, go ahead and use the help function to check out everything about the module, and it will just give it to you just like this one. You see the math module, and this is the description. This module is always available. It provides access to the mathematical functions defined by the C standard. So go ahead and check out other modules and read about them, implement them, and get to know them one by one. So I'll give you time to do that. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.